Hello friends, today we are going to understand how we can change the logo of the email templates. So whenever we install any website or when we configure a Magento system as per our new website, in that case we need to update the logo on the home page, that is here, okay? And second is we need to update that in the email templates, okay? So now we will see how we can update email logos in email templates. So for that I'm just trying to see what currently is the logo on the email template. Okay, so for example I'm taking email template of new account. Okay, and click on load template. So this will give me a email template how it is written when we newly create a new account. Okay, so this email will send to the customer. So here I want to see which logo of the email goes to the customer. So for that I'm just clicking on the preview template section, and now here you can see uh, the default logo like Luma logo will be visible, right? So this is the logo of the email templates. Now the point is, since we have changed the Magento system, Magento into our own website, so we have now changed the logo. So now how we can upload it? So to do that we need to go to content and then configuration. So here you can see there are themes mentioned, okay, the website, store and the theme, okay. So we will go to the Magento Lima theme default store view and main website. So I clicked on edit in this row. Here we have the option of transactional emails once we scroll down, okay. So I am just clicking on it so that that area get expanded. Now here you can see the option to logo image upload. So we have all these configurations which we can update. Okay, so normally the logo image will be uploaded, that is 3 times greater than what we expect the dimension of the logo. Okay, so I'm just uploading one of my sample logo here. Okay, and logo image art. So suppose you uploaded this and you don't want this, so you can click on delete and you can again click on upload and can select the other one. Okay, but right now I'm okay with this logo. So logo image art, so this will be the text which will show up when we mouse over the logo. Okay, so logo width and height we can give from here. Okay, so right now I'm giving it 200 pixel. Px we don't need to mention. Okay, 200 height and width. Yeah, so no other changes, simply we need to go to content, then configuration. We will edit one of the last row, that is Magento Luma theme row. Okay, and here we will scroll down to transactional emails and we will upload the logo which is of our site. Okay, and we will set width and height and alt tab. That's it. We need to save configuration after that, and once we will be able to save this, we will clear the cache and we will quickly see how our new logo will be in the email templates, how it will look. So we just save the configuration. Now it's asking us to clear the cache, right? So I'm clicking on the cache management and clicked on flush Magento cache. Okay, so it's going on. Once it's done, the last step is to refresh this email template page. Okay, preview the one which we saw. Yeah, email template preview, right? So I just refreshing this template. Let's see whether our newly uploaded logo will be visible here or not. So cache management has been cleared. Now it's time to see our new logo. Yeah, so can you see the email template logo in the new email templates? Okay, so just to confirm, go to the marketing. You can see that how we can configure email templates from here. We need to go to the marketing in the sidebar click on it, and then in communications, email templates. Okay, yeah, add a new email template. If you have some emails here, you can edit and you can see it. Okay, just click on it and it will give an option to preview email template. Okay, so we uploaded at one particular location, but that logo will be visible in every emails we sent from our website. So this is how we can update email, we can update logo in the email templates. So you can check in some other email templates also, so it will be everywhere updated. Okay, so for example, we take new order. Okay, email template. So load email template, and you can see the template has been loaded. Now we clicked on preview template. Okay, so it will give me a preview of the email templates showing logo as well. Yeah, so you can see here our new logo has been updated in every email templates. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe this channel.